Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. I recently picked up this little collet chuck. It's a MT22 RS16 collet chuck. It does fit my lathe, but the problem that I do have is if I back out the tailstock to get it to push it out, I'm like half a millimeter or something short. I actually measured it against my live center, and I'm really like something like a millimeter or two short. So what I'm going to do is I am going to turn a little plug for it. Luckily the thread is standard M10 thread, 10mm thread, so I'm going to use an M10 bolt and turn the head down to the same OD as that. I think it's 14mm, and I'm going to use this. I use these non-critical projects as a as practice pieces, because I'm battling to get to turn up to a specific diameter, and I need to practice that. So what I'll be doing is I'll be using these little projects as practice pieces. I put a little bit of soft wire on the thread just to be able to chuck it up. I'm going to get into the chuck and let's start turning it down. Okay, so the OD I'm shooting for is 14mm, so I'm just going to turn the bolt head down to smooth, and then we'll work it from there. I think 10mm takes a what, 17. Yep, then M10 bolt takes a 17 spanner, so we've got quite a bit to take off, so let's get gunning. Okay, so I'm currently sitting on 16.7 and I need to get it down to 14. So I need to take off about 52 thou, 104 thou on the diameter. So let's gun it too close and see what we can get. What I'm going to do is I'm still on that cut there, so I'm going to zero my dial and then take off 52 thou. Okay, that was 40, so let's see what we've got left here. Okay, so I'm sitting on 14.7 on the nose. So I need to take off 13 thou. Cut. 13 thou I'm going to divide by 2. So I'm going to take 6 and then a 7. 6 measure and then do a final. So I'll be taking, now it still shows that my final cut will be 7 thou. I'm going to tune in the 7 thou and take a cut and see what we can get to. And this should be it. It should be on 14 now. On the nose. Oh, you can see it there. On the nose. Guys, I actually got it right. Turning to a diameter. Just going to put a little bit of emery tape on it, just kiss it and make it neat, and then we'll be lobbing off much of this thread because I only need like 15mm or so, and then little job will be done. So let's get cracking on it. Much better. Gentlemen, and there we go. I am happy with how this came out. I got the diameter that I aimed for, although it's arbitrary in this case. It fits nice on the back of the little collet chuck, nice and smooth, and I can just take it out if I want to use it in the mill and put the drawbar in from the top. The other bonus is now I can fit it in my tailstock, and once I'm done I just pull the tailstock completely back and it pushes it out, so I don't have to hammer or put something close to these threads or whatever the case may be. A quick little project, but this is how we learn. I am by no means a machinist. I'm learning as we go along. Like I said, I do these little projects as test pieces and practice pieces to get to a point where I can actually machine up to a diameter that I'm aiming for. This one came out good. I am happy with the results, and with that I'm going to call it and say thank you very much for watching. If you've made it thus far, please rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay safe.